YouTube something went wrong problem in iPhone. Launch the settings application on your device. Toggle on the button for airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before toggling it off again. Tap on the Wi-Fi option now and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is good. If not, click on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to and tap on the Forgot this network option and rejoin again. If you are using cellular, then tap on that and then on cellular data options. Tap on voice and data now and make sure you are connected to 3G or above. Also tap on the data mode and make sure you have not selected low data mode. Now open the App Store on your device and search for YouTube. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. In settings again, tap on general and then on VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. In general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your YouTube should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.